Is your paint palette drying out on you all the time? I just want to give you a quick tip how you can create your own sort of palette where your paint does not dry on you so quickly, especially if you are working on a large project. What you will need is a Tupperware container, or you can even use like a tray, a food tray. And I want you to use just a little bit of a kitchen towel that you can fold to just fit the space a little bit, like so. And this is just so that you can put a little bit of water on your kitchen towel. And then you're going to need some wax paper. Let's put it like that. That should do the trick. It doesn't have to be neat. Let's bring back our container and we put the wax side on top, like so. And you will find that the wax paper will stick to the wet kitchen towel at the bottom. And then you can dispense your paint and you can have your painting session beautifully, and you can carry on with your work. And then when the time comes for you to, I don't know, go get some groceries, you don't have to stress about your paint drying out on you so quickly. Give it a mist of water and you can put your lid back on, and there you have a very cheap and affordable wet palette for your acrylic paint so that it doesn't dry out on you so quickly. I hope this helps. Let me know in a comment below what you thought of today's tip. Perfect. Perfect.